Okay, we're going to solve cubic equations. Now there's basically three different types of cubic equations that you would see. So if you have this one, remember that factors. If you forget how to factor, that's a different video. So this would be x squared plus 3x plus 9. So this one here is obviously 3. This one here is not going to factor, so we're going to use quadratic formula for that. So our a is 1, our b is 3, our c is 9. So we'd get negative 3 plus or minus square root 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9. Remember, you're always going to get an imaginary one for this one. So we'll get negative 3 plus or minus the square root of, that's 9 minus 36, negative 27. And remember, square root of negative 27, that's the square root of negative 9 times 3, so that'll be a 3i radical 3. So I'm going to replace that here. So negative 3 plus or minus 3i radical 3 all over 2. We don't have a number that goes into all three of these, so we'll just leave it like that. So that's if you've got a binomial that can be factored. This one here, you'll notice the x is a GCF, so let's take that x out. And then we can factor that one. And so we get 0, positive 3, and negative 2. Remember, it's cubic, so you should come up with 3 answers. Cubic, we've got one answer here, the 3, and then this is 2 answers. And then we have this one here. It's got 4 terms in it, still cubic, but 4 terms. And try grouping 2 and 2. So here we take the GCF out of that, and you have x squared times x minus 3. This one has no GCF, so we'll take out a 1, or its GCF is 1. And then you notice you have the x minus 3 is now a GCF. And we have x squared plus 1 equals 0. So x would equal 3, or lots of different ways to look at this one. One is to say x squared plus 1 is 0, which means x squared is negative 1. Take your square root, and x would be positive or negative I. So our answers are 3, positive I, and negative I. Okay, that's it.